I will never look at mac and cheese the same way after trying this vegan version. Are you ready to transform your comfort food game? Alright folks, first up, cook 250 grams of gluten-free pasta according to the package instructions. Easy peasy, right? Now while that's boiling, let's get our cauliflower prepped. Steam 1 head of chopped cauliflower florets until they're super tender. About 10 minutes should do the trick. Next, let's make that creamy, dreamy cheese sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour to form a paste. Now, slowly add in 2 cups of oat milk, whisking to avoid lumps. Once that's smooth, toss in 1 cup of dairy-free cheese and stir until it's all melted and creamy. Combine your cooked pasta and tender cauliflower with that luscious cheese sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Feeling fancy? Top it with a bit more dairy-free cheese and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. And there you have it, a vegan cauliflower mac and cheese that's comfort food heaven. Dig in and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to comment below. Press the thumbs up button, turn on the notification bell and click the subscribe button for more delicious vegan recipes. Welcome back, foodies! Now that we've mastered our delicious cauliflower mac and cheese, it's time to elevate our dining experience with the perfect drink pairings. Whether you prefer hot or cold beverages, alcoholic or non-alcoholic options, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. For tea lovers, a warm cup of chamomile tea pairs beautifully with the creamy texture of our mac and cheese. Its gentle floral notes complement the savory flavors without overpowering them. If you're in the mood for something cold, a glass of iced green tea with a hint of lemon is a fantastic choice. For those who enjoy a bit of sparkle, a chilled glass of sparkling water with a splash of cranberry juice is both refreshing and festive. Now let's talk about wine pairings. A crisp, dry white wine like Sauvignon Blanc or a light, fruity red like Pinot Noir can be excellent companions. A variety of drink options to make your cauliflower mac and cheese meal even more enjoyable. Try them out and let us know your favorite pairing in the comments below. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button, turn on the notification bell, and click the subscribe button for more delicious vegan recipes and tips.